Okay, in this video we are going to implement Dijkstra's algorithm. So before going to the actual concept, we should recall the Dijkstra's algorithm. The Dijkstra's algorithm is used to find the shortest distance from one node to all other nodes. There will be one source node, and from that source node we need to find the shortest path for all other nodes present in the given graph. That's what the program statement says. From a given vertex in weighted connected graph, find the shortest path to other vertices using Dijkstra's algorithm, and write the program in Java. Say the graph is also a weighted graph, weighted and connected graph. You should see the condition. The graph should be weighted as well as it should be connected one. So we are using greedy algorithm to find the shortest distance from the source vertex to all other vertices. The steps are: input a cost matrix for a graph, read the source vertex n from the user. That means you need to enter the weights, right, for all the edges. So for example, from one vertex to another vertex, what's the weight? In that way you should enter the weights for all the edges for all the graphs. Then create an array which stores the distance from the source vertex to all other vertices, and create array visited. That means you should start from the source vertex, start traveling. So you visit the next vertex which seems which is having a less weight, and keep on visiting all other nodes. See, for all adjacent vertices, for source vertex, calculate distance using the formula this one, and you should update the distance. And for all the adjacent vertices, find the vertex vi which has minimum distance. See, here we should calculate the minimum distance. And sixth one is you should repeat 4 and 5 until all vertices which are unvisited. We should initialize this for all other vertices which are unvisited. Say I am using the class name Dij. So enter the number of vertices, how many number of vertices you want. See here up to 20 vertices you can enter. This limits our vertex numbers. And then cast adjacency matrix, and of course you can leave this out, the 999. And this we are using to read the adjacency weights for these two for loops. Will give us a 2D array from 0 to 0 or 0 to 1, which is the weight that will be entered here. And from this we are using the source vertex, which is the source vertex. Now we are storing that in V. Source vertex for our reference is V. So we initialize the source vertex as 0 and start from this 1. We will check which is minimum. We will assign that into minimum value, and we will repeat for all other cases. And after all iterations, the shortest path will be in Di. This is I will be the Di will be having the least value for each vertex. Say for example, from vertex 1 to vertex 2, what's the distance? From vertex 1 to vertex 3, what's the least weight? It will be printed in this for loop. Now let us execute this program. I have created the program called 7.java. I will compile that 7.java. So there are no errors. Let us find out the class name. The class name here is Dij, short form for Dijkstra's. I have given the name in the class program also. Let us see the execution of this. So enter the number of vertices. So I will give as 4 vertices. I will use the values as 0, that is the source vertex 1 and the other vertex also 1. Next 3, then 4, 6, and then I'll use 3, 0, 4 and 5, and then 4, 4, 0, 5, give 6, 5, 5 and 0. Since my vertex or the vertex number is 4, we need to enter 16 values. You can count if you want. If there are 16 values, 4 cross 4 values you should enter. The source vertex, I can choose 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. I'll use 4 as source vertex. So to give the shortest distance from 4 is, from 4 to 1 is 6, 4 to 2 is 5, 4 to 3 is also 5, 4 to 4 is 0. Because 4 itself is the source vertex, you can't have any direct link or any distance between itself, right? 4 to 4 is 0. This is how you can execute the program.